to my channel. My name is Felicia Mezadou, your personal stylist and beauty guide. And the purpose of my channel is to assist you in making the best wardrobe and beauty choices so that you feel and look your best. And to all my felines, welcome back, ladies. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my personal demonstration of how I do my at-home facial spa. I love doing facials. I have been doing facials on my channel for a while now. Periodically, skincare has always been a priority for me within my lifestyle, and as I mature in my 30s, I make sure that it becomes a very top priority for me, because if you take care of your skin, it will treat you well and it will age gracefully. The proper skincare techniques, methods, and products will ensure that your skin is good to you and that it will mature very gracefully. I love doing facials, especially when I have the proper products and the methods and instruments or tools to do them. And in today's video, I wanted to share that all with you. Facials can be a bit pricey if you go to an esthetician. That's why I really do my best to try to learn everything that I can so that I can do them at home, and then I can also share that information with you all. Facials are very essential when it comes to skincare. It's a very important process when it comes to rejuvenating the skin. So I have the incredible 8 steps that I like to implement into my at-home facial spa routine, and so I'm going to share them all with you. Number 1 is going to be first to cleanse. Number 2 is going to be to exfoliate. Number 3 is going to be to steam. Number 4 is going to be to mask. And that is why I am super excited to be partnering with Gleamin today. Gleamin is going to be sponsoring a portion of this video where I do apply their mask to my face. Gleamin is a Black-owned brand, so I couldn't be even more excited to introduce this brand to you on my channel. It is an Australian Black-owned brand. Gleamin is sourced and made in Australia. The products are 100% natural, and the company practices ethical production, so that means that these products are cruelty-free and vegan. In this video, I am going to be using the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask, which is going to be awesome for the skin. You guys know that I go hard, super hard for natural ingredients, and Gleamin's clay mask is all natural, 100% natural, and also it's certified organic where possible. This is my first time using the product, and I do switch up my masks very often just to make sure that my skin doesn't get too used to products. So I'm excited to see what this product can do for my skin. This product does claim to even the skin tone and fade dark marks, which I'm really interested to see how it works on one of my stubborn dark marks that I have. I actually created it for myself, but we won't get too much into this video, but I'll have to update you all on what happened in that situation. But yeah, I know that this isn't going to work completely overnight, and I know that this is going to have to be included and implemented into my facial routine over time. So I'll let you guys know how this works for me over time, just like I do with any of the other products that I use on this channel. So we're gonna use it today for the first time, and then I'll just keep you updated on how it's working for my skin. That's gonna be all of step 4. That's what we're going to be experiencing all in step 4 as we apply this clay mask to the face. The number 5 step is going to be to tone. So I like to apply a toner to the face. And for the 6th step, I like to apply a serum. For the number 8 step, I like to apply a moisturizer, but in today's video, you're gonna see me use my serum as my moisturizer, as the moisturizer that I have just did not complement the products and ingredients that I currently have, because this is kind of an all-natural at-home facial spa product list that I kind of used today. So I just stuck with my serum, but if I had like an all-natural moisturizer, I would have definitely implemented that into this routine. But right now I just used my serum because that was pretty much all natural, and it just complements the whole product list today. And then for the 8th step, that's going to be to massage, and the massage is very important. And I just learned that including a massage into your at-home facial spa routine, it makes a world of a difference, because it's going to help to tighten and lift the face, and that also plays a huge part into making sure that the face ages gracefully. All right, so without further ado, let's get into this at-home facial spa routine. It is Sunday, and I'm gonna start by giving myself a facial. Step 1, I'm going to cleanse my face, and I am going to use warm water to do that. I am going to gently wash my face with this. This is a exfoliating pad, and I just gently scrub my face with this. It helps to cleanse the face and to also get rid of any impurities, which you can get these very cheaply. You can get them at Walmart, you can get them online on Amazon. I'll link them down below. You can get them on Sally's. I'll have it linked down below. Gently, because we're already gonna use like a mask, and so this is just gonna help lift that dirt off the face. Just gives it encourages the cleanser to really get deep down in the pores and lift that dirt right on up. I find this to be a bit more gentle than just using a wet cloth, and I use it daily. Okay, so I've rinsed my face. Okay, so now it's time to exfoliate. So I am using a homemade exfoliating scrub. I have in here some ground brown rice. I have some ground coconut flakes. I have grounded pumpkin seeds, a little bit of cocoa powder, and some some coconut oil, and then also I have a pasteurized organic egg. I grinded the rice, the pumpkin seeds, and the coconut flakes in a NutriBlender, and then I added the egg, and then I also added the cocoa powder last, and I just mixed it until I got a nice pasty mixture, so that it wasn't too liquidy, not too rocky. You just gently press it onto the face. You don't have to press it in really hard or scrub it really hard. You want your face to age gracefully. Your face is going to age, but you want it to age gracefully. So this is how you get it to age gracefully, when you're very, very gentle with your skin. And I had enough left over to add into an extra storage container, and I put that in my refrigerator, and I'll use that later this week. Warning, this can get messy. I definitely look like Thing from Fantastic Four with this homemade scrub on my face. Tell me I don't look like Thing from Fantastic Four. Okay, so now I'm gonna rinse this off my face, and then I'm gonna get ready to steam, which is my favorite part of this whole entire process. So step 3 is to steam, and let me show you my bomb steamer that has gotten me through. Okay, so this is the steamer that I'm gonna be using. This steamer I purchased off Amazon. It is from Sakura, but I think you could find other ones as well. I think Red Pro may have one as well. This is multi-functional, so this is also a hair steamer. I have an attachment that I use to steam my hair, but today I'm just gonna be using this, which is detachable. So you can take it off and put your hair steamer on, or you can add this and it can be your face steamer. And then the steam comes from out of here, I think. And I add the water here. You can get this off Amazon, that's where I got it, so I'll definitely link that down below in the description box, but this is where you put the water. This is perfect. Okay, so now I'm getting ready to use the Gleamin mask. So the directions say, the directions suggest applying evenly to a fresh, cleansed face using the brightening brush provided in the box. Allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry, then gently remove your mask with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. And then it's time to glow. So there's a brush already provided in here, which I am so excited about because I always have to use my own brush and sometimes it's not always clean, and I'm just happy that they provided a little brush so that you can apply it. Application is so important and I don't always want to get my hands dirty. So this is the little pouch that the brush comes in. This is so good. We're gonna get our vitamin C going. Don't hate on Gleamin. All right, so it's this nice quality thick jar. We're gonna apply the vitamin C mask. This is step 4. So this is what the mask looks like inside. Using the brush. I love how my camera is basically my mirror. We went from it, or thing from Fantastic Four, to the Walmart sticker. So I'm gonna let this sit on my face for 10 whole minutes, 10 whole Gleamin minutes, and then I'm gonna wash it off. And Walmart sticker it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the facial right here and right now. Right here, right now. And the next step is the toner. So let me just tell you that, no lie, not even caping for Gleamin or anything like that. I know that this is partially sponsored, but my face feels really good. Let me tell you that I haven't even put any moisturizer on yet. I wasn't able to put any moisturizer on. I had to get out of the bathroom. There was an errand that I had to run for like almost an hour. Skin feels like butter. Like butter, baby. Like butter. What's the deal? Like butter, baby. Like butter. Here we go. Definitely feels like butter. Feels really soft. It looks really good. Yeah. But when you're working with all natural ingredients, most of the time, 9 times out of 10, you can't go wrong. So that's done. I'm just glad that I used natural ingredients to actually complement. I'm glad that I used a natural scrub to complement the vitamin C clay mask, because that's 100% those ingredients in there are 100% natural. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is use a toner. And for my toner, I'm just gonna use a soothing toner and hydration mist. I'm just gonna spray that. I'm gonna leave all the products that I use down in the description box. All right, right, now I'm gonna use a serum. And this is a all natural superfood serum. I'm using all natural products to complement the product that I just used, which is the clay mask. So the next step is to use the serum. And after you apply your serum, then you want to moisturize, but I use my serum as a moisturizer. So instead, now what I'm gonna do is my face massage. And the face massage is going to help with the maturing of the skin. It's just gonna help you to age more gracefully. Your skin is gonna feel more firm. Okay, and that's it. That is my full at-home facial spa. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this at-home facial spa. And the best conversations take place down in the comment section. So if you have any awesome skincare tips, if you have any at-home facial spa recommendations or suggestions or tips, then please let the community have your wisdom. Share your knowledge with the community. We're here. The felines are here in effect, and we're ready to listen. Do you see these ears? We're ready to listen. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Favor, peace, and blessings, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.